Hello, I'm Tanya Vardhan. I'm investment banking intern at Insake Solutions. So today's video presentation topic is financial modeling for project financing. What I understood is that when we do financial modeling for project financing, we basically try to figure out that what is going to be the financial performance and profitability of that particular project. So first of all, we need to have a proper clarity about what is the description of that project and what are the assumptions related to it. Like we should know what is the scope of that project, what is its timeline, or what are the objectives of doing that project. And after that, if there are any assumptions related to it, for example, cost estimates or revenue estimates, any interest rate that we think that it can be there, etc. All of these assumptions should be taken care of right in the beginning. After that, we prepare the income account, which is same as profit and loss account. So here, we include operating income, net profit, or the gross profit, etc. Then we prepare cash flow statement, which is to keep a track of all the cash inflows and outflows throughout the time period of that project. Balance sheet is also a very important component. There we mention all the assets and liabilities related to that project, and also the equity which is being invested by the owner or the investor in that project. So once that is done, we go to calculating the financial ratios. We calculate all the financial ratios like debt to equity ratio or current ratio, etc. so that we can know about the profitability and efficiency of that project. After that, we do scenario analysis so that we can know that if a particular variable of that project is changing, then how the final outcome of that project will change. For example, if we change the interest rate or if we change cost or revenue, then how it is going to impact our project. And then a risk assessment is done. While doing the risk assessment, we try to understand that how different scenarios like market fluctuations or change in interest rate or any regulatory change, etc. is going to impact our project. And at the end, it's about updating our financial model again and again according to the new information available in the market. And that's how we do financial modeling for project financing. Thank you.